Carolina Adventure World. As many of you guys know, that's one of our biggest places that we go to for our stomping grounds in the South Carolina area. We participate in a couple events there, including drag racing and their New Year's Bash of last year. But what you guys don't know is that this is the first time that we have ridden anywhere since our trip in August with Mr. Tyrese from 700R Raptor Life. If you guys still haven't checked out his channel, be sure to go check him out. He's doing wonderful things and he's beautiful people. So be sure to go check him out. But this is the first time we've been riding since then at an official location. So, because of that, and the unwritten expectations of this weekend, there was a bunch of out-of-pocket decisions that you guys won't be disappointed with. We participated in a couple events that we probably shouldn't have been participating in, including a motocross style event on a side-by-side track. Hosted by Course, a well-known side-by-side racing series that does most of their stuff, I do believe, in South Carolina. I haven't done a lot of research into their stuff, but definitely a really cool organization. A good guy that we've met across TikTok and Instagram, Mr. Ryan Thornton, was more than adamant about giving us an opportunity to race and have fun that weekend, so be sure to stay posted for those videos. I won't tell you our finishing, and I won't tell you what happened, but it was definitely out of pocket and well worth it. Now, you may be asking yourself, what did we do to get to this weekend? And that is what this video is about today. We did absolutely bub kiss, but if you watch the video to the end, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So we'll see you guys then. Before we get too far in the video, though, I did want to say a couple things. Number one, thank you guys to all of your support. As you guys can clearly see here, we've done a lot of content, ranging all the way from Travis Truett stuff at Florence Motor Speedway, all the way to doing events at churches to do like Halloween events and promote that for them. But also we've been doing some more recreational stuff here and there. So thank you guys for always supporting all of our content, no matter what it is. Be sure to go check out all of these people down in the amazing channels list, and also the TrapShip Collective people. They've been the backbone of our channel from the very beginning. So be sure to go check all of them out. They're all beautiful people. They have a bunch of great content, and it's very important that you guys go check them out as well. Number two on our list is that if you guys do want to continue supporting us as a channel, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a join option here on our channel, and you guys can now become channel members. It's only $2, or $3. It's $2.99. But it's one of the bros. More stuff's going to be coming to that. I've already got some people working on making some custom emojis and stuff like that for our channel specifically, so be sure to come check that out in the future. I found a couple things on there that I really liked, which was priority replies to comments and also early access to new videos. And we're also going to be doing a live stream in the future to promote our giveaway. I do believe that's going to be on December the 9th, so be sure to stay posted for that. It'll be at 4 p.m. So go put that in your calendar and go check that out for then. And the last thing I want to do is wanted to pray. That's another big part of our channel and a huge backbone of what we do. So let's do that. Father God, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to go to this trip this weekend. I pray that you continue to bless us in all your many blessings and everything that you continue to do for us and our channel. I pray that you continue to bless all of our subscribers and our supporters in all the ways that you've been blessing them so far. And I pray that you continue to watch over us and keep us safe as we go to more events in the near future to promote you in your name, in your glory. In your holy and precious name I pray. Amen. Let's get right to the video.
send a picture of something I've actually done decent. But you know what? They'll work.
What do you think, Chris? You work?
They'll work. Insert picture of Goodwill. Just so I get made fun of on the internet. Still need to get made fun of on the internet.
You care too much about what people think.
Yes.
Ain't nobody care. Half the people that comment on our videos are 5-year-old children who don't know what they're talking about. I'm putting half of that crap over there as quick stuff.
Here's a T-joint. I'll send you the picture.
That'd be nice at the campsite one.
Yeah, there you go. You can put that in the video.
Even look good sitting there burning donuts.
Be the sportsman class.
Yeah. Oh. Well, this is a bit of a jump in time, though.
Guys? I pulled up right behind y'all, and then we immediately got to it.
We're racing.
Put the bikes in race mode.
I didn't even say anything about this weekend about us racing.
Nope.
So.
Nope. This is a surprise.
Whole nother ordeal.
This is put on by.
The Course?
Course.
Not Corpse, because no.
Course.
Yeah.
Coors Nationals, they got a side-by-side event going on right now.
We're going to get a little bit of that.
ATV classes, I think there's only 5 or 6 in our class right now, so.
We'll have to see.
Yeah.
But
That's the only 450 you got to
no, there's one over there.
That's a bone stock.
Oh, y'all
one.
good.
And there's another one.
Y'all have fun. This is a check flag right here.
She's the only one that I know of racing in the women's class for ATVs.
That's cool.
So.
She's got an automatic win.
Well, if Gracie would have gone out there, she could have.
No.
You don't want to fight for second?
No.
I let you ride mine.
No, I'm good.
Oh.
I want to feel
Yeah,
you.
I
want to get a reaction. Y'all need to get a reaction because I haven't ridden it yet.
Ridden what? Yours?
Suzuki.
Oh yeah. That'd be cool.
Yeah,
I still haven't even tested those out. This is about to be a test for those.
We're gonna get money.
Heck yeah, dude! This is just from the parking lot.
Are y'all, you good with the way it's set?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything different to it.
Push it.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna do my best, but I'm not gonna like.
It's just riding uphill, downhill, and it's flat.
Yeah.
Act like get farm.
Hey, don't you be a wuss now.
No, I'm not gonna be a wuss. I mean, I'm also not gonna try and win unless I get the opportunity to.
Have fun.
Looking for gaps. I'm just here.
With my roadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.